Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the ring notification volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these green dots. Also, here the second way how we can do that is first press up or down volume button here on the right side of our phone, then click here to the three dots, and we'll see the ring and notification volume panel again. And by the same way, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side of the dot, and to save the changes, we should click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.